Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into the 7 Ps of the marketing mix. This is a crucial framework, especially for service-based businesses. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of each of the 7 Ps and how they work together to create a comprehensive marketing strategy. So let's get started. Introduction to marketing mix. The marketing mix is a fundamental concept in marketing that helps businesses make informed decisions about their products, pricing, promotion, and placement. For service-based businesses, we expand this to include 3 additional Ps: people, process, and physical evidence. Together, these 7 Ps form a holistic approach to marketing. Let's start with the first P, product, or in the case of services, service. This is what you're offering to your customers. When thinking about your service, consider what makes it unique, how it meets the needs of your customers, and how it compares to competitors. Your service should have a clear value proposition that sets it apart in the market. For example, if you're running a consulting firm, your service might be unique because of your specialized expertise and approach. You need to communicate this uniqueness effectively to your target audience. Next up is price. This is how much customers will pay for your service. Pricing strategies for services can vary. You might use cost-plus pricing, value-based pricing, or even tiered pricing. The key is to ensure that your pricing reflects the value you provide and is competitive in the market. For instance, if you're offering a premium service, you might price it higher to reflect its quality and exclusivity. On the other hand, if you're targeting a budget-conscious market, you might opt for a more competitive pricing strategy. The third P is place, or distribution. For services, this is about where and how your customers can access your service. It could be a physical location, an online platform, or even a mobile app. The goal is to make your service easily accessible to your target customers. For example, if you're offering online courses, your place would be your website or a learning management system. If you're running a fitness studio, your place would be your physical location and possibly an online booking system. Now, let's talk about promotion. This is how you communicate with your customers and make them aware of your service. Promotion for services often involves building relationships and trust. Tactics like content marketing, social media, and customer testimonials can be particularly effective. For instance, if you're a financial advisor, you might use blog posts, webinars, and social media to educate your audience and build trust. Customer testimonials can also be a powerful promotional tool as they provide social proof of your service's value. Moving on to the first of the additional Ps, people. This refers to everyone who plays a part in delivering your service, from your employees to your customers. The people involved in your service can greatly influence the customer experience. For example, if you're running a hotel, the staff's attitude, knowledge, and service skills can significantly impact guest satisfaction. Ensuring that your people are well-trained and motivated is crucial for delivering a high-quality service. Next, we have process. This is about the systems and procedures you use to deliver your service. A well-designed process can improve efficiency, consistency, and customer satisfaction. For instance, if you're offering a software as a service product, your process might include onboarding new customers, providing technical support, and regularly updating the software. A streamlined process ensures that your service is delivered smoothly and consistently. Lastly, we have physical evidence. This refers to the tangible elements that customers use to evaluate your service. It could be your business's physical environment, your website, or even the packaging of a service-related product. For example, if you're running a restaurant, your physical evidence would include the decor, ambiance, and presentation of the food. If you're offering an online service, your website's design and user experience would be your physical evidence. The importance of integration. Remember, the 7 Ps don't work in isolation. They're all interconnected, and changes in one area can affect the others. So, it's crucial to consider the marketing mix as a whole and ensure that all elements are aligned and working together. For example, if you change your pricing strategy, you might need to adjust your promotion to communicate the new value to customers. Similarly, if you improve your process, you might need to update your physical evidence to reflect these changes. Let's look at an example to make this clearer. Imagine you're running a consulting firm. Your service is unique because of your expertise and approach. You decide to price your services based on the value you provide to your clients. For place, you offer both in-person and virtual consultations. And for promotion, you use content marketing and networking to attract clients. Your people are highly trained consultants. Your process is a proven methodology, and your physical evidence is your professional website and office space. By considering all 7 Ps, you can create a comprehensive marketing strategy that effectively communicates your service's value and meets your customers' needs. And that's the 7 Ps of the marketing mix. It's a powerful tool that can help you create a well-rounded marketing strategy, especially for service-based businesses. Remember, the key is to consider all 7 elements and how they work together. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the 7 Ps of the marketing mix. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tips and insights. Until next time, happy marketing.